So you only need 5 things to scale a CPA marketing campaign to $5,000 a day in 2025. Those 5 things are the CPA offer. It needs to be a trending offer. You need a custom domain name, so that's therefore your own domain name. You need ChatGPT to generate some photorealistic images. You need Facebook, Google Trends. Those are the things that you need in order to make this a reality. So this is something that I've been doing for many years, and it wasn't as simple as it is now, let's say 10 years ago. And the reason is ChatGPT wasn't here. But whenever you can use AI in order to generate very amazing viral ad copy and also photorealistic images, it becomes extremely simple. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to make this happen. Understand that you can make this happen with any niche. It does not matter the niche. I'll tell you one of the niches that have made me and helped me scale to $5,000 plus a day over and over and over again, and that's the gaming niche. That may not be no surprise to you because we already know that gaming is a very popular thing. So in this example, I'm going to give you a very, very simple, straight to the point example of how to make this work in the gaming niche. But remember, you can make this happen with any niche. This can work in any niche you can think of. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Trends and you want to see what's trending within the gaming space. Now, one thing that I've been seeing trend like crazy lately, and you may already know as well, is the Nintendo Switch 2. So what am I going to do? I'm going to lock in on that niche and I'm going to zone in 100%. So that is my niche, the Nintendo Switch 2. So what do I want to do now? I want to go find an offer that is closely related to that. So I was looking at one of the CPA networks that I'm with right here, and the network is Point Click Track. Let me log into my phone. So Point Click Track got this offer right here. It's a GameFly offer, and every time somebody complete a free trial for free, of course, I get $2.63. And if we look at the landing page right here, what they can do is they can rent thousands of games and movies, and right there on the landing page, if you can see it, it has the logo of the Nintendo Switch 2. So every time somebody do a free trial on this offer, I get paid $2.63 a pop. So therefore, all I would need is a couple thousand conversions a day in order to hit my $5,000 per day goal. I know this sounds unrealistic and out of reach, but when you have a campaign go viral, like I'm about to tell you how to do, it's not out of reach because you're not even going to be able to control the traffic once it happened. Again, it's much easier now than it was 10 years ago. So this is how it goes. I found a trending topic within the niche. The niche is gaming's, and the trending topic within the gaming space right now is Nintendo Switch 2. After that, I found the offer. The third thing I want to do is I want to go to ChatGPT and I want to create a photorealistic image of an 18-year-old boy or girl, whatever you want to put, holding a Nintendo Switch 2, and he or she looks very excited. They look very excited. So that's what you'll put right there. After you do that, you'll say, this is going to be a CPA marketing campaign that I'm going to run on Facebook. Now, with this image, I need some viral ad copy to go along with this. Make sure that whenever you type out this ad copy, that you tell people to like the page, like the post, share the post, and also check the comments if they want to rent or access free Nintendo Switch 2 games. So this is going to be a viral post to tell people that if they want to play these games for free by renting them, all they got to do is follow the 4 simple steps. Like the post, like the page, share the post, check the comments. Whenever they check the comments, there's the offer. So that is the whole strategy right there. If you can generate a photorealistic image and you can have ChatGPT create some viral ad copy, understand this: the amount of money that you can make with an offer like this is mind-boggling, because what you are telling them is that they can play Nintendo Switch 2 games for free by renting them, because whenever they get the free trial, that's when I get paid. And whenever they share the post and their friends see it, they're going to want to do it. They share the post again, their friends are going to want to do it. And eventually, you're going to have hundreds of thousands of people clicking on the link and wanting to play Nintendo Switch 2 games for free by renting them out. So whenever they do this free trial, of course, like I said, $2.63 a pop, my goal is to get 2,000 conversions a day. Now, if I got 30,000 people a day clicking on the link in the comments, and the reason why we put it in the comments is for safety reasons, but if I got 30,000 people a day clicking that link in the comments, I'm almost guaranteed to get to the point after so many days to where I have a campaign that's making me $5,000 a day, because it's simple math. Now, so I have to pause this video for just 1 second and let you know about CPA Marketing Academy. If you are somebody that's tried everything, you've tried digital products, you've tried selling courses, you've tried Amazon FBA, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, if you've tried all of these things and nothing seemed to work for you, I'll tell you this, CPA marketing is something that will work for a person that's never even touched a computer before, as long as you follow my 15 plus years of knowledge on this topic. I have made millions of dollars via CPA marketing, and what I focus on is I focus on the simplest strategies that would generate money on complete autopilot. So if you are somebody that want to make money for simple lead generation, no website, no audience, no product to sell, just simple lead generation. If you are somebody that want to make that kind of money on complete autopilot, click on a link in the description of this video and get involved in CPA Marketing Academy. This is going to be huge. This is going to be something completely next level. I'm super excited to launch something like this because I know a lot of people are struggling to make money online, and I already know that CPA marketing is the #1 easiest way to start seeing your first money roll in consistently. Click on a link in the description of this video and get involved with CPA Marketing Academy right now. And if I do the simple math right here, and I simply say, let me get out my calculator, because I don't know that math right off the bat. Let's get out the calculator. $2.63 times 2,000, that's $5,260 a day that I'll make with this campaign, just from people wanting to rent out free Nintendo Switch 2 games. And after 30 days, of course, they'll be charged for the free trial, but they are responsible for reading that whenever they complete the offer. So whenever you set up these campaigns, understand that there's no limit to what niche you can choose. There's no limit whatsoever to what niche that you can roll with. So if you want to roll with the niche in the golfing space, you can do the same thing. If you want to roll with a niche in the dating space, you can do the same thing. There are so many different ways to do this and so many different ways to spin it in order to make this go viral. It's insane to even think about. I mean, some of my biggest campaigns have been stuff like Six Flags tickets and Disney World's tickets with this very strategy right here. But if you've ever seen this strategy or done it yourself, it doesn't work the same anymore. It works different, and the only difference is, of course, you got to put the offer link in the comments. Now, if you want to do it the smartest way, use a custom domain. So let's say I go to Point Click Track and I see that offer link. I don't want to share the same link that everybody else is sharing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect a custom domain into settings, and I'm going to use my very own domain name. Now, with this one strategy right here, the sky is the limit. So I challenge you to personally go ahead and set up a campaign, set it up and see how it works for you. Remember, you can use ChatGPT for this. You can use free trial offers. You can use content locking for this. You can use email, simple single opt-in email submits for this. So you can do the same thing for a free Target gift card. Now, if you want to keep your campaign white hat and keep it legitimate, what you want to always say is, if you're doing this for like a Target gift card, enter to win a Target gift card. Don't say share this, like the page, and check the comments for a free Target gift card. That used to work 10 years ago, but nowadays you'll get your page deleted and banned within 48 hours a lot of times. So I personally have ran campaigns like that and have personally done $30,000, $40,000 weeks by doing it just like that. But at the end of the day, these days, Facebook will ban you within 48 hours. So if you want to do this long term, and if you want to do this strategy, and make it work overall long term, do it using the simple steps that I just told you. Keep everything white hat so you can get to $100, $200, $300 a day on autopilot, even if you never reach $5,000 a day. What if you can get to $300 a day? That's still roughly $9,000 a month, and that's a six-figure income for you. So I really challenge you to make this happen because it's powerful. This is something right here that a lot of people are not going to tell you. They're going to basically charge you $5,000 to learn this stuff, and it's worth it because if you can make $5,000 a day and somebody teaching strategies like this for $5,000 one-time fee, believe it or not, it's worth it. I mean, a lot of people, including myself, don't like paying that amount of money. But what if it can make you $5,000 a day? But the good thing about it, you don't have to pay $5,000 a day to hear this strategy. You just heard it completely for free just by watching my video. So again, give it a shot. Let me know how it works for you. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. And trust me when I say this is nothing compared to the other strategies that I'll be talking about on my channel.